wild animal.
Get that out of the...
Welcome to Phone Swap. It's a super awkward dating show.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, Agriya.
Dwayne, nice to meet you. My name is Dwayne Dowling. I am 24 years old and I am single, obviously. And that's why I'm here on the show.
मैं अग्रिया भाटिया हूँ और dating show क्योंकि मैं about 2 साल से single हूँ, so I think it's high time that I look for a guy for me. So that's why I'm here.
I'm into fitness and stuff, so do my own thing like bodybuilding, diet and everything. Just.
Well, I'm into yoga as well. So yeah, it's a plus point, like a cherry on the
What
cake.
are yours with that?
Yeah.
Yes, wow.
By the way, I like your voice. It really like attracts me.
I'm expecting to find someone from the same caliber as mine.
My partner should be caring, sensitive, supportive होना चाहिए, loyal होना चाहिए. So how long have you been single, like max?
I can't go more than 4 months.
Really?
I get needy. Like I need someone around me. We're gelling, we're vibing. I feel like we're hitting it off.
Tell me like सबसे कोई cheesy सी pickup line.
What has a tiny and hangs down?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
A bat.
A bat?
A bat. that was
pathetic.
Yeah, that was very bad.
I'll give you one more. Like, are you a haunted house? Because I think I'm gonna scream when you're in me.
Oh, I heard this before. Yeah, this one I heard before.
My pickup lines are better than yours.
Now, the moment of truth. We just let them know we have to trade phones.
Are you kidding me?
Wait, the pictures or the text?
What? Really?
Most of the bodybuilding poses which we have to do is supposed to be in nude. I'm pretty sure she's gonna find a lot of those on my phone.
थोड़ी इधर-उधर hanky-panky type की chats हो जाती हैं, like लड़कों से वगैरह.
After snooping through their phones, these two will get to decide if they actually want a second date.
Alright, so where should we go first? On our WhatsApp. She has a lot of 100 chats.
Yeah, 100.
I'm in Dubai.
Damn.
I'm sleeping. Goodbye.
Stop.
I'll call you tomorrow. No, it's fine.
Don't. That's it.
I'm guessing that could be her best friend or something like that.
You wish.
Let's see her browser though.
मुझे भी याद नहीं है क्या है.
Cobra lat pull down muscle.
Fitness. I'm sure उसको पता होगा.
Now you're talking, man. That's my language. There
Yeah.
you go. Spank meaning, okay.
क्यों search किया? I don't know.
Anatomy of spanking. She's really kinky though. I don't know what to say.
Yeah.
Freaky meaning. Okay. What is going on right now?
I'm freaky maybe.
Alright. See Instagram. What's yours Instagram?
Damn.
Oh, she got 15.6k followers.
That's not a lot.
Oh wow.
Thanks.
Pictures look really good though. She's got like really good self-addressing.
Yeah, I can glam up.
Alright. So that's about it. Okay.
It was like a roller coaster ride. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's start with Insta.
Oh boy. Here we go.
Oh, look at him. He got such a hot body.
That's good. That's good.
Ooh,
Okay.
that's impressive. It's nice. I am already blushing.
Too much.
Yeah.
Say it's too much. Say it's too much.
I wish he was shirtless here. I mean, like with me on the date. I think मुझे फोन पकड़ा दिया, मैं उसी की फोटोज देखती जाऊंगी. So थोड़ा हिस्ट्री देखते हैं क्या गूगल कर रहे हैं. डॉलर रेट ठीक है. यूएस से आया, makes
I'm dead.
sense.
I'm gone. My heart's racing right now.
कुछ नहीं है यहाँ. What did I just see? He seems like a wild animal.
Get that out of the...
थोड़ा desperate सा हो गया है हमारा लड़का. ठीक है, मैं और नहीं खोल रही हूँ. I'm gonna save your tonight.
Thank you.
और क्या है?
Nothing there. My phone's boring. Get out of there. Hello?
Your Safari search engine history was quite interesting too.
That was... I'm not that much of a freak. I mean, you... Yeah, what's up with spanking and what's up with freaky? What's up with that?
I don't know. I maybe wanted to explore the words more. तो और ढूंढ रही थी. अच्छा ऐसा होता है. So कुछ और चीजें मुझे मिलती उससे like the.
So, do they want a second date? It's time to trade back phones and find out.
She said yes. He has a shy as well as a wild side to him. I would love to explore more.
He said yes. she already knows the worst side of me, and I didn't want to hide or feel embarrassed of it anymore. And I'm really comfortable with her after the pause.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
I got nothing to hide now.